it's Miss Brino from Maryland Hall's ArtReach and Jóvenes Artistas. We're back again for another ArtReach challenge of the week. This week I'm challenging everyone to make a positive picture or message on their driveway or sidewalk using homemade paint. I have been seeing recipes for homemade paint all over the internet, so I decided I would finally try it. The recipe that I used has only 3 ingredients, 2 of which you can get at the grocery store and the other one you can get at your home.
In order to make homemade paint, you need cornstarch and food coloring, both of which you can get at the grocery store, plus water. The first step is to measure out equal parts of cornstarch and water. We wanted to make a lot of different colors, so we measured 2 cups of cornstarch and added 2 cups of water. Once you do this, you want to whisk together until all of the clumps go away. The consistency will be like thick milk. Your next step is to pour into cups or a muffin tin so that you can add your colors. After this, you'll take your food dye and squeeze just a few drops into each cup and stir with a spoon to get a nice consistent color.
I don't know about you guys, but we have definitely been following the stay-at-home order, and we've been doing a lot of our shopping, like grocery shopping and other things that we need, all through delivery. We are so grateful to all of the hard workers who are delivering everything to people's homes right now. We thought we would use our homemade paint to make a nice picture and thank you message to all of our delivery workers. Hopefully this activity brought you some relaxation and some inspiration to be creative. I know my kids loved getting dirty and creative with this homemade paint, and they spent about an hour just drawing all over the sidewalk. They also ended up drawing on the paper, which was really cool, and I discovered that the paint works just like regular paint as well. It dries a little bit differently, it's a little bit chalky in the feeling, texture, but if you don't have paint supplies, this is perfect. And you can even finger paint. So again, 3 ingredients: cornstarch, food coloring, and water. Please send a picture of your creation to my email at lbrino@mdhallarts.org or post it right here on our Facebook page. We love seeing everyone's creations. Let's spread some positivity out in the world and thank all of our essential workers that are working so hard to keep things going. Hopefully your neighbors will check out your drawing on the sidewalk and decide they want to do the same thing. We love watching art spread throughout the community because we know that art heals, inspires, and empowers. Until next week, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay creative.